Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech to Watch. Today we'll be unboxing the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. This was recently launched by Motorola in during the Amazon Prime Day sale, and this was launched worldwide on July 10th. And I have just got my hands on these, and today we'll be unboxing the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Now this particular variant is of spring green color. It is 12 GB RAM, 512 GB storage, and there is a lot to be unboxed. There's a lot of items included in the package. So let's start. Just quickly, I have already opened the box, but I have not unpacked it, so we'll just quickly go through the contents. So with Motorola phones, you always have a very good unboxing experience. With the moment you open the box, you are greeted with this nice fragrance that has come to has been something that Motorola has started doing in the past few days. Now up front there is a package in which you will find a case. Now this case is going to be similar to the color of the phone. So right now I have got spring green, and the case is also green in color, which is nice. Very nice touch by Motorola to have a case included in the box. It's a plastic case. I would have expected this to be a silicone case for better impact protection, but a plastic case. But however, it's included in the box, so no complaints there. We'll keep this aside. Then we get to the phone itself. This is the phone. We'll keep this down for a minute. We'll see what else there is in the box. And you'll notice that this phone comes with a 68 watt charger. Now this is a 68 watt charger, but the phone supports only up to 45 watt charging. But it's nice of Motorola to include a PD charger in this box, so that it's not just the phone that you can use this charger to charge. It can be charged on other devices as well, so that's a good touch, and something that you don't get to see often with any phone. But Motorola has done this with the Razr 50 Ultra, and they have included Moto Buds Plus. When have you ever seen a TWS being included in a flagship or a near flagship device? I don't think I have seen this ever. This is the first time. You can see this is a premium TWS by Motorola. So they have two variants, Moto Buds and Moto Buds Plus. So they have not been cringy about including the base variant or base version Moto Buds with this Razr 50 Ultra, but they have gone ahead and included the premium version, which is really commendable, I would think. And this just makes the unboxing experience that much better. So we keep this aside. I think then we have this USB C to C cable, which we get along with the phone. Standard C to C cable appears to be of nice quality, so this is also very good. Alright, now let's get to the phone. So the phone is nicely packed. Again, I can't just tell you how good the fragrance is. It makes the phone feel premium even before you open the cover. Okay, so just open it. So just one other thing that I would like to highlight is that Motorola has started packaging their phones in a different material to make it more environment friendly, as you can see here. And there is an instruction on this cover which states that there is a pre-installed screen protector on the phone, and the instruction states that you are not supposed to take this pre-installed screen protector from the phone. That would void the warranty, and it would make the phone there might be some issues with the phone. So I mean, this is what the phone looks like. It's a brilliant color, very nice shade of green, and this back panel that you see here, this second half, the bottom half, is made of synthetic leather, which is referred to as vegan leather as well. And it makes it feels very premium, just by touching it. It feels extremely premium. And you can see that the green color is not just of the back panel, but across the phone. The borders and the frame itself is made of green, just to complement the color, back of the phone, as well as the case. So everything green here. Now this phone comes in two other colors, midnight blue and peach fuzz. I have had an opportunity to look at the midnight blue as well. I myself prefer the green, that's why I've ordered the green. The peach fuzz, is not easily available. I think it's only available on Motorola's website and on Amazon for now. And I've seen a couple of videos of other YouTubers who have basically bought that variant, and that also looks very good. But for me, this variant, the spring green, is my personal favorite. Alright, so this is the unboxing. Let me quickly turn it on and let's see how this phone looks. So you have the Motorola logo right on the front, as well as on the external display. Let me just close the phone, and this is the external display. By now you would have seen other reviews, other videos on Motorola Razr 50 Ultra to know that the external display is by far the largest external display on any flip phone till date. So kudos to Motorola for providing such a big 4-inch display on the external cover. And there are a lot of benefits and lot of uses for this external display. We'll cover the functionality in a separate a separate video. I will upload another video taking you through the details of this phone, but for now this is just an unboxing. And let me know what you think about this phone, about the unboxing, about the contents that are included in the package, and share me your comments. And please hit the like button if you like this unboxing, and subscribe to my channel. We will be uploading more videos of this particular phone, in-depth analysis, more detailed videos on the performance of this phone in the future as well. And you can subscribe to my channel to find out whenever we upload new videos on this device and many more devices to come. So for now, thank you so much for watching, and have a very good day. Thank you.